All right, so here's some proofs related to angles. So again, I'm going to start with my intro. I'm going to open up with my given statement. All right, now next, I want to be able to get angle 2 and angle 1 in my proof. So I'm going to go ahead and do my angle addition postulate and say that the measure of angle PRT is equal to the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2. So angle addition postulate. All right. Next, as part of the intro phase, if you guys remember, I want to make sure I use my given statement. So the fact that it's a right angle means that it is equal to 90. So the measure of angle PRT is equal to 90 degrees. Definition of a right angle. All right. Well, this one looks pretty easy. PRT, PRT. So step 4, the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees. Substitution. So starting in the red, I'm doing my solving portion of it. I have to get angle 2 by itself, because I can see right there angle 2 is alone. So I'm going to subtract the measure of angle 1 from both sides. So now I have the measure of angle 2 is equal to 90 degrees minus the measure of angle 1. That is subtraction. And now my proof statement, or my last statement, looks like my proof, so I'm done. Let's go ahead and do one more angle proof. All right. So XWZ is equal to the measure of angle YWV. So this is a given statement. I want to get 4 and 6 into my proof, and knowing that I'm giving this, I'm going to go ahead and use angle addition with those. So the angle addition postulate, the measure of angle, oops, wrote that backwards. The measure of angle XWZ is equal to the measure of angle 4 plus the measure of angle 5. And the measure of angle YWV is equal to the measure of angle 5 plus the measure of angle 6. I'm going to do those in color so you guys can see that. So YWV, it's right here. And XWZ, that's right here. So that's where I got those from. So that is, of course, my angle addition postulate. Okay. All right, next I need to start trying to create a relationship between 4 and 6. So I'm going to have to find some way to set these equal. Well, I guess it's nice that I'm given this statement, because I think I'll just start there. I'm going to plug in my measure of angle 4 and measure of angle 5 into XWZ. I'm going to plug in measure of angle 5 plus the measure of angle 6 in for YWV. I'm just going to substitute into my first statement. All right, I can see both sides have a measure of angle 5, so I'm going to subtract that out. So step 4, the measure of angle 4 is equal to the measure of angle 6. Subtraction. And my last statement does not look like my proof. I still got one more step. I need to say they're congruent. So angle 4 is congruent to angle 6. This is the definition of congruence in angles. All right. Hope this helps.